If you want to customize textures for your Live2D VTuber model, it's super simple. All you need is an art software. Though it helps if you have an art tablet as well. I'll be using VtubeStudio Paint to edit mine. First, you need your texture files. They should be inside of a subfolder in your VTuber model folder. Pick the part you want to edit first. Let's say you want to add some sort of icon on your shirt, for example. We'll need to find where that portion of your model textures is located. My textures are an absolute mess, and I have a lot, so don't be like me. But my shirt texture is located here. First, make a copy of your files in case anything breaks. Then let's grab this PNG and drop it into VtubeStudio. I'll rotate the canvas to make things easier. Add a new layer and make it into a clipping mask. In some apps, you might need to right-click to make a clipping mask. Now, anything we draw will stay within the bounds of this original artwork. And that is very important because drawing outside of bounds can disturb your model's rendering. Now I can add whatever I want, so I'll add some text and maybe some patterns or some decorations. Awesome, looks good. And I will also go ahead and update my crop top. So I'll import my crop top textures as well. I'll recolor my shirt using a color layer, but you could also do a hue shift or a gradient map. And since my shirt is in several parts, I'll need to apply this to each part. I can then select those parts with the lasso tool, Ctrl-Shift-I to invert my selection, and delete the parts that should remain unaffected. Now that I'm done, I'll export my file, making sure that the dimensions remain the same and that the type is PNG format. And I will name those exports the same original file name. You can either overwrite your original textures, or you can rename the old one as a backup. If your model is already loaded in, it won't automatically update, so run a texture reload hotkey or load your model in again, and you'll have your brand new texture set ready to go.